You don't need a finance degree or years of Wall Street experience to spot when a company is making smart, forward-thinking moves that actually benefit everyday investors like you and me. Zerodha, one of India's most innovative brokerages, has rolled out 3 game-changing features designed to empower small investors: order slicing, consolidated mutual fund tracking, and seamless access to US stocks, opening up a world of opportunity that was once out of reach for most Indians. These aren't just flashy gimmicks or marketing tricks. They're practical, well-thought-out solutions to real problems investors face every day. Order slicing, for example, lets you place large trades in smaller chunks, helping you avoid system glitches and get better execution, especially when markets are volatile. Mutual fund tracking brings all your investments together in one app, no matter which platform you use to buy them, making it easier to manage your portfolio and track your progress. And now with Zerodha, you can buy shares of global giants like Apple and Tesla directly from India in a fully regulated and transparent way, expanding your investment horizons. Each feature is a step forward for investors, but together, they show Zerodha's deep commitment to making investing simpler, safer, and more accessible for everyone. This isn't about chasing headlines or short-term hype. It's about building real trust and long-term loyalty with customers. Zerodha wants to be your one-stop shop for all things investing, giving you the tools and confidence to take control of your financial future. That's how you build a truly great business in the world of finance, by putting the small investor first. Let's break down order slicing, a clever solution to a common trading problem that many investors face every day. Placing a big order on the stock market can get your trade rejected or freeze trading, especially with illiquid stocks. It's frustrating, and it can mean missed opportunities or unexpected losses. Zerodha's solution: their system automatically splits your large order into smaller chunks, each under the exchange's limit. This happens instantly, behind the scenes, so you don't have to worry about the technicalities. You just click buy, and the tech handles the rest. No extra steps, no complicated settings, just a seamless experience. This means fewer rejections, less stress, and more reliable trades. You can focus on your strategy, not on technical hurdles. It's a small technical fix with a huge impact for active traders. Even seasoned professionals benefit from this streamlined process. Zerodha listened to real user pain points and delivered. They paid attention to what traders actually need, not just what looks good on paper. This isn't about hype. It's about making trading smoother and more predictable. It's about building a platform that works for everyone, from beginners to experts. By focusing on the nuts and bolts, Zerodha sets itself apart. They're committed to practical improvements that make a real difference. It's practical innovation that builds trust and confidence in every transaction. For investors, that reliability is everything. It's what keeps them coming back, trade after trade. That's how you win loyalty. And that's how Zerodha is changing the game for traders everywhere. Tracking your mutual funds shouldn't require spreadsheets and headaches. Most investors have funds scattered across banks, apps, and companies. Zerodha's Coin app now lets you import all your mutual fund statements, no matter where you bought them. Instantly, you see your entire portfolio in one place. This makes it easier to analyze, track, and make smarter decisions. It's a huge leap in convenience and user stickiness. Why switch platforms when everything you need is here for free? Zerodha's open approach is more user-friendly than competitors' walled gardens. They're giving customers what they actually want: simplicity and control. That's how you build long-term loyalty. For Indian investors, buying US stocks used to be a hassle: complex rules, high fees, and endless paperwork. Zerodha changed the game by connecting to Gift City's NSE IFSC exchange. Now you can buy shares of Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and more right from your Zerodha account in rupees. No more sending money overseas or navigating foreign regulations. It's as easy as buying Indian stocks. This democratizes access to global markets for everyday investors. You can finally diversify beyond India and own a piece of the world's biggest companies. It's a major step for financial inclusion. Zerodha is making global investing simple, affordable, and accessible. This isn't just a feature, it's a new frontier for Indian investors. The world is now just a click away. So, what does US stock access really mean for you as an investor? Let's break it down. First, it's about diversification, spreading your risk across different markets, so your investments aren't tied to just one country's ups and downs. The US and Indian markets move to different beats. Owning both helps smooth out the bumps and can make your portfolio more resilient. You can invest in global leaders, Apple, Google, Microsoft, companies you use every day, and participate in their growth from anywhere in India. The process is seamless. Deposit rupees, buy fractional US shares, all within Indian regulations. It's as easy as investing in Indian stocks. No more international wire transfers or legal headaches. Everything is streamlined and designed for your convenience. This opens up a universe of opportunities that were out of reach for most Indian investors until now. Plus, it boosts your financial literacy. You'll start understanding how global events impact your investments. As you explore global stocks, you learn about new markets, trends, and how different economies interact. Zerodha isn't just giving you tools. They're giving you an education, helping you make smarter decisions with confidence. You become a smarter, more well-rounded investor, able to navigate both local and global markets. That's good for you, and for the market as a whole, as more informed investors create a healthier ecosystem. Zerodha is empowering a new generation of global investors, giving you the tools and knowledge to thrive in a connected world. Put these three innovations together, and Zerodha's strategy is clear. They're not chasing quick wins. They're building a user-centric ecosystem for serious investors. Order slicing builds trust with active traders. Mutual fund tracking makes the platform indispensable for managing your wealth. US stock access future-proofs the business as Indian investors get more sophisticated. Each feature is a brick in a fortress of trust, convenience, and capability. Zerodha's low-margin, high-volume model means they must keep adding value to keep users loyal. They're focused on long-term relationships, not short-term fees. This is chess, not checkers. By making investing easier and smarter, Zerodha is setting the pace for the industry. That's how you win the long game. Zerodha's moves are shaking up the entire Indian brokerage industry. Competitors now have to match these features or risk falling behind. That's great for investors. Expect more innovation and lower costs. Easy access to US stocks could shift how Indians think about investing and asset allocation. Domestic fund managers will need to step up their game. Zerodha's all-in-one platform challenges the old fragmented financial system. The super app model is here, and others will have to adapt or integrate. The real winner? The small investor. Investing is now safer, more convenient, and more powerful than ever. Zerodha isn't just building a business. They're empowering a generation to take control of their financial future.